We're talking about some more rain, Warren?
Yes, more rounds of rain back into the forecast later on tonight, but also as we head into the day tomorrow. That's why we have first alert weather days for both days. Now, I want to tell you why this is happening. We have a low pressure system right into central Texas, and it's continuing to move off to the east. It's actually more in the Permian Basin, continuing to push off to the east. But you can see all the green right here. That's showing us all the cloud tops and all the moisture in the atmosphere. And then you can see that orange filtering into southern Texas. That's where we're filtering in some of that drier air, which I would love some of that to be into North Texas. But unfortunately, we're seeing a lot of moisture present across the entire region. In fact, we're still monitoring a lot of those active showers and a couple thunderstorms off into the eastern portion of the region. So really far east of the I-45 corridor is where some of those stronger thunderstorms are starting to spark up, and heavy downpours over towards Sulphur Springs, Paris, Mineola, and Tyler, Texas. But we'll be expecting more rounds. We have already saturated soils. In the last 24 hours, we've seen around 1 to 2 inches of rain, some localized heavier totals down into the Corsicana region. More rain expected and a heightened flooding threat moving into the day tomorrow. In fact, flood watch is in effect as we continue through your Thursday night. 2 to 4 inches of rain, isolated accumulation, upwards of 7 inches possible. Again, flooding will be likely anywhere highlighted in green. That's going to be in effect through Thursday night. Some of these totals, again, are going to be very impressive, especially for our eastern half of the region. So make sure you're remembering, turn around, don't drown, and you're keeping that umbrella as well handy. Look at the precipitation chances for DFW continuing through the night tonight. We have about a 40 to 50% chance, then that overnight about a 60% chance. This is a look at that latest forecast data. We're going to see more initiation starting to move up across the Metroplex and North Texas, moving off to the northeast through those early morning hours. You might be impacted through the early morning commute across the region, so something to keep in mind. More additional rain, showery, and thunderstorm opportunities continue through Thursday and potentially another round into Friday. Again, we have that low in the upper levels of the atmosphere, and that'll continue to push off to the east through the rest of this weekend. High pressure system starts to dominate moving into the weekend, and that, well, it's going to bring us some warmer temperatures. However, some diurnal heating will take place. We might see an isolated thunderstorm or two moving into your Saturday as well as Father's Day. If you have any plans on Father's Day, 92 degrees is where you'll be sitting at. Partly cloudy skies. And remember, there is a very small chance for some thunderstorms to develop. As for tomorrow, though, we have another first alert weather day in effect.